Hi, I'm Maya Hansen, and this is my presentation on Chapter 6, the sensory system. So starting out, the sensory system involves the brain receiving sensory information such as sight, sound, and smell and processing it. I chose to do a medical research article that was about blindness and visual impairment in people based in Iran. It was based on adults aged 40 to 80 years who were selected using cluster random sampling. The results and the conclusion of the study were that the major causes of blindness were diabetic retinopathy, glaucoma, cataract, and age-related macular degeneration. They were the leading causes of blindness, most of which were avoidable. Starting off with my terms, I have ophthalmologic, the branch of medicine concerned with the eye and its diseases. Next, I have retinopathy, any disease of the retina. Next, I have glaucoma, increased intraocular pressure. And next, I have cataract, complete or partial opacity of the lens. Impairment, the state of being weaker, worse, or damaged. Ocular, pertaining to the eye. And that about sums it up.